Hello Virgos, welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. Hope you are doing good and happy new year. This is your new year, new month reading January 2022, and this will be a general reading. As you know that it may resonate you or may not. Please take those messages what resonates you and leave the rest. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. And if you want personal reading from me, you can contact me on my Instagram. And if you want to donate me on my free general reading, you can donate me on my PayPal link. So let's start your reading without any further delay. This time I'm doing reading in a different kind of spread. It will be like first 10 days, middle 10 days, and last 10 days of January 2022. So let's see what are your messages for first 10 days. Knight of Wands, Ace of Wands, and High Priestess. So there is some kind of fight is going on around you. You are looking at this fight. You are looking at this fight in a in resolving intention, with resolving intention. You want to resolve this fight, but you are not taking any action regarding this, but you are just seeing it from afar. It can be a fight with your partner, or it can be fight with your family members, people around you. You are having conflicts with them. So or it can be like that if you are a student and you are looking for a competitive exam. So you are just you are seeing that there are a lot competition around you in regarding this. So you are looking at this. Maybe you are getting scared about a lot of competitors. So here I'm seeing that first time is you will be very much energetic. Some kind of new ideas can come into your mind, and there will be a gut divine help, divine guidance can come inside your mind. uh, because of this guidance, you are able to do new creative things in your life, because there will be a new moon in Capricorn, and Capricorn is your fifth house, and fifth house is true love house, and creativity house. So here you are in a creative mood, and you are taking actions. But whatever action you are going to take, maybe it's a action you are taking initiate in this action. So you are trying to hide this action. Whatever you are going to do, you are trying to hide it from other people's, and that's why it's like that. Whatever you are trying to do, you just want to do behind the scene, and you are just looking at it at that issue, and you want to resolve things behind the scene. That's why people are thinking that your actions are immature. You are immature this time, because of your because you are hiding in your actions. That's why people are thinking like that about you. So in middle days, you are having middle 10 days, you're having two of wands, um, death card, and six of wands. So in middle days, you're having two of wands. Maybe you have decided something, and now this is a time. Whatever you have decided, now this is a time you need to implement on this decision. Maybe if you are having fight with your love partner, so divine is helping you to initiate action, and now you have decided to take action, and you want to end this conflict, and things will be transformed in this situation. Something is going to dead, like your breakup situation can be dead, and your new relationship will born in middle 10 days, and you will get success if you are going to take action regarding this situation, uh, regarding this fighting situation, breakup situation. You need to make a decision. You need to end the situation where you are fighting with your person. Now you need to start again in this relationship, and you will get a success uh, regarding this, because there is a divine help is coming towards you to resolve matter, Divine is giving you a chance, initiate level to resolve a issue. So you are going to implement apply on this idea, whatever idea you are having, divine, from divine. Or it can be things like that, you are doing lot of action you are doing in month of January, and maybe behind the scene you are doing a lot, you are taking a lot actions, and you are working a lot. There is a working action, action kind of things. Maybe you have plotted some ideas before. Now this is a time where you can apply on those ideas. So in the last 10 days you are having Page of Cups, Seven of Wands, and Seven of Swords. In last 10 days you will have a apology or maybe a love offer if you are single. So but you are on a defensive mood. It can be your energy, it can be your person's energy. So some kind of offer, maybe you are offering someone an apology or new love, or if or it can be someone is offering you an apology and new love. So you or maybe your person is on a defensive side because there is a tricky energy. Someone is trying to trick someone, like maybe you are on you are on a one point and your person is on another point. You people are having a difference of opinion to resolve a matter. So maybe it's like there's one person will try to trick another person to get them on their point. So that's why there is a defensive energy. Maybe you are on a defensive side because you think that this person is trying to trick you, and this person is trying to make you fool to come on their point. They are trying to resolve matters on their conditions. So this can be a trick for someone. So your romance angel oracle message is, um, unrequited love. There is not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. So if you are thinking that right now you are not on a point where you can give time to this relationship, because you are having a lot going in your life. You are maybe trying to do many things at the same time. So that's why your love life is not required for you this time. It can be energy for you. This could be the one. You have already met the romantic partner you seek. So though this person is in your life and you maybe uh, you are not in contact with this person, but this is the person of your this is the person with whom you can spend your life, and this is the perfect partner for you. So but for the timing, you're not on a there is no required love this time for this relationship or this person. So that's what you're reading, Virgo. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in the comment below. Like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.